here's why. Solar rays bring energy bright, charging panels with pure sunlight. Photons knock electrons free, that's electricity made naturally. The earth tilts just the perfect way, so we get longer, warmer days.
Feel the heat? It's conduction's game. Molecules bump and not quite the same. Liquids can turn into steamy gas. Evaporation happens fast. Popsicles melt in a gooey stream. Solid to liquid like a sweet dream. Water boils and rises high, becomes a cloud in the summer sky.
Cicadas buzz with noisy flare that hide underground for years down there. Fireflies blink with light so neat, bioluminescence, nature's treat. Bees are busy pollinating flowers, they work in teams for hours and hours. Crabs and turtles head to shore, summer means new life and more.
The ocean's warm and waves will roll, but did you know they help control Earth's climate with their moving flow? That's ocean currents on the go. Warm water drifts from place to place, bringing heat to every space. Salt and temp create the spin, a global system deep within. Watch the sky transform, thunderclaps and lightning too. Hot air rises, meets cool above. Clouds form tall like a tower of love. Static builds, then boom, a flash. Lightning strikes with a brilliant crash. Count the seconds, don't delay. You'll find how far it's gone away. Make a sundial in the sand. Shadow tells the time, how grand. Build a solar oven box. Cook with sunshine, ditch the clocks. Try floating ice in salty sea. Watch it melt differently. Grow a crystal on a string. Summer science, do your thing. Summer's fun, but science stays in bugs and clouds and sunny rays. So when you splash or hike or play, observe the world in a curious way. Because the coolest wonder you will find is the power of your brilliant mind.